So, hello everyone. Myself Rupesh Kumar Malik, MPed first semester, uh, department specialized in sports health science. So, today in this video, I'll explain you about how to calculate standard deviation. But before going to calculate standard deviation, we should know about what is standard deviation. स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन क्या है, हम निकालते किस लिए हैं, क्या उसका यूज है, पहले उसका जानना जरूरी है बिफोर कैलकुलेटिंग द स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन. सो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन क्या है हमारा. स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन इज द मोस्ट वाइडली यूज्ड मेजर ऑफ वेरिएबिलिटी. जो इसको सबसे ज़्यादा वाइडली यूज किया जाता है, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन को बहुत ज़्यादा वाइडली यूज किया जाता है. और इट इंडिकेट्स द वेरिएबिलिटी ऑफ स्कोर्स अराउंड इट्स मीन वैल्यू. इसके मीन वैल्यू के अराउंड जो भी वेरिएबिलिटी आती है या जो भी डिस्पर्जन आता है उसको इंडिकेट करता है ये चीज़. और जो सबसे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग है, जो सबसे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो हमें जानने की जरूरत है वो है इट कैन बी कंप्यूटेड ओनली फॉर इंटरवल और रेशियो डाटा. अदर देन दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओनली कैलकुलेटेड फॉर इंटरवल और रेशियो और इंटरवल डाटा के लिए हम इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. इट्स द मोस्ट स्टेबल मेजर ऑफ वेरिएबिलिटी एज इट्स सैम्पलिंग फंक्शन इज वेरी लेस इन कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दैट ऑफ अदर मेजर ऑफ वेरिएबिलिटी. सैम्पलिंग फंक्शन बहुत कम होता है इसी वजह से. Because of its less fluctuating behavior, it is extensively used in inferential statistics. इसीलिए इसको inferential statistics में यूज किया जाता है क्योंकि ये बहुत कम फ्लक्चुएट होता है. इसका बिहेवियर बहुत कम फ्लक्चुएट होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही कम फ्लक्चुएट होता है इसी वजह से. तो ये था हमारा स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन. हम स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन क्यों करते हैं, क्या करते हैं, ये हमारा कुछ मेन पॉइंट थे कि सबसे ज़्यादा वाइडली इसी को यूज़ किया जाता है इसके लेस फ्लक्चुएटिंग बिहेवियर की वजह से. अब नाउ नेक्स्ट वी कैलकुलेट हाउ टू कैलकुलेट स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन. नाउ विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल द स्टेप्स by which we can calculate the standard deviation, especially on Excel. So for that we need to put some data, or we need to put some data on Excel, and after that we have to go to the formula, and in that formula we can use that from the insert function table. By that also we can do it, but just we can simply by writing the standard formula for calculation of standard deviation. By this also we can get the standard deviation. So very simply we'll follow the steps, and today we'll learn how to calculate standard deviation. So now let's go. First of all, just put some data, like write data, and we randomly choose some data, suppose 12, 14, 15, 18, 9, and we'll take some more data, 3, 4, 8. You can also calculate these data with the help of paper and pen by the simple formula. As we know that by standard deviation we can easily calculate under root x minus mean का whole square upon under root n. Simply we can find the we can calculate standard deviation by paper and pen also. By that we can check whether the answer in Excel is coming, whatever is coming, it's wrong or right. So now we'll find the standard deviation on Excel. So we wrote the data, we wrote all the numbers. Now I'll just write standard deviation because here I want standard deviation, so I'll just write SD, and in this place I need standard deviation. So now what we have to do, we just go to the insert function, and no need to go insert function because already you can type here the function. So what is the function for standard deviation, as we know, or if you don't know then you can go to the insert function, and here one table appears, and in that table you can simply write the standard deviation, and you will get the formula for standard deviation, or that code for the standard deviation. So here I will write the code as I remember. So we should write STDEV, and this is sample. So I click on sample, standard deviation sample. This is the formula, and I'll choose all the datas. And now simply I enter. So this is 5.316752. We can round it off to the 5.32. We'll get the standard. Now whatever we have in this place, it is standard deviation. By this way we can calculate the standard deviation. It is very easy on Excel, and this we can also calculate in SPSS, and SPSS is very much clear. I'll try to explain in SPSS as well. So this is how we can calculate standard deviation on Excel. And as I already explained you how to what is standard deviation, and now I also explained the how to calculate standard deviation. Now you just keep on practicing, go just practice whatever times you want, and you will get on your tips. So this is how we calculate standard deviation, and thank you.